Good morning, folks. It is the 24th of August, 2021, and the market's been open for, well, about 15 minutes. I've got an order in here above this high of this first 5-minute candle, and everything's looking like it wants to turn around to go back up. Yep, looking pretty good on this. All the indicators. The slow stochastic is getting ready to cross the 50%. RSI is above the 50%. MACD's already gone above. Let's get over here. I've got my order in at 53.54 even, and I'm just going for 53, or I'm going for 10 points, which is it's one contract. It's about 200 bucks. So I will come back if I get filled here and let you know. I just want to add a point here. This is the ES. I'm trading the NQ over here. This is the ES E-mini, and it has the same pattern as the NQ, which I like to see. And it has already broken to the high side, which I like to see because I like for it to kind of lead the way. And then I can jump in on this. So feeling pretty good overall with this, the way this looks. So I will, like I said before, I'll come back when I get filled. So here we go. All right, folks, I just got filled at 52. Oh, wow. Yeah. Had my order in. My order was in at 54, and that is some slippage there. But it looks like it wants to go on up. The all the signs here are looking for it to go on up there. So, like I said, I've got my order in to take profit at. Oh, wait a minute. I guess I got filled already. So I'm well. Let's see. I'm up. Let me go and make sure I've got everything canceled out. And let's go over here to the Performance Center, the scoreboard. So I'm up $205 for the day, and after commission, 201. So I'm okay with that. I'm probably done for the day trading. I could have held on for another, a few more points, but I just want to go on and take 10 points today. So that's where I stand. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you got something out of it. It's like I said before, I trade the first 5-minute candle on the long side, since we are in basically a bull market still. And I usually go for 20 points. Today I just wanted to go for 10, and glad I got it. I'm done. So I don't want to ramble, don't want to waste your time. And here's what I was looking at. If you've never seen my videos, I want the RSI to be above the 50. I'm sorry, this is the RSI here. The red line is a 50 line. The red line here is a 50 line. This is the slow stochastic. Everything was just looking bullish for the day. So all in all, it was a good trading day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.